Hi, honors parents. This is Ms. Stewart, and I am your student's honors ELA teacher. I wanted to take just a few minutes to show you guys what your students are working on in honors ELA right now. And I wanted you guys to be able to see what their assignments look like, understand when they're due, and kind of just understand that the path that they're on right now in ELA, so that you can help them get their assignments done on time and you know what they need to be working on at home. So I have their honors classroom pulled up here. So it's my third hour honors ELA. If you guys go into classwork and scroll down over here to the date, which would be week 25, which is March 1st. March 1st is when we started reading a book called The Outsiders. So what I've done is I have posted a virtual copy of the book here, so students can read online or at home without needing a copy of the book with them. Okay, and there's also a copy of the audiobook, which I will show you guys here in just a second. If you guys go once a week, they will have an assignment that looks a lot like this one. The first one here was Intro for Outsiders, chapters 1 through 3. So I went ahead and opened that assignment already over here. It was due last Friday, okay? So here's a copy of their honors playlist. They will be reading around 2 to 3 chapters a week in this book called The Outsiders. They will always have in-class time to read the chapter, but they may not finish the chapter while they're in class. So some nights I might have homework for them that they need to finish reading that chapter, and that will never probably take them more than 10 minutes. Now, also, once a week, there will be an assignment that has comprehension questions for that chapter, as well as journal entries for them to complete, and that will happen every single week. Okay, so here's this playlist here. Back here in the assignment, this is where they answer the questions and do their journal. Every single week, the assignment will look pretty much exactly like this one. Okay, so for chapters 1 through 3, they needed to put 2 entries here in this dialectical journal. Here are instructions for them about how to complete the journal. And if that doesn't help, there's a video on how to do it as well. But essentially what they do is they write the day that they read, they pick one quote from the book that they think is interesting, important, or confusing. They put the page number they find it on, and then they have to write 4 sentences here, 4 complete sentences about why this quote is interesting or important to them. If they go here into these instructions, there are the different ways that they can respond to the quote and sentence starters to help them get going. This is worth 4 points. They have to have 2 entries, so for a total of 8. That's about 50% of the grade for this assignment. So 50% comes from just completing the 2 journal entries. So 2 dates, 2 quotes, 2 pages, 8 sentences. Then if you come down here, we have different comprehension questions for different chapters. They put their response using complete sentences in the box provided. They have about 1 to 2 per chapter. They will always have around 4 questions to answer and 2 journal entries, which makes their entire assignment worth 16 points. Okay, these assignments are due every Friday. So every Monday, they get new questions, new chapters. Every Friday, those are due. So you guys will see here, this is our first week, chapters 1 through 3. When they're finished, they'll have a box. Not mine doesn't because I'm on the teacher side, but they will have a box here where they will go and turn in these questions here. All right. Now, if you ever want to review your students' work, say it's graded and you want to know how they can improve their score, they can come in here and each question is graded in this rubric, so you can see if they maybe just didn't write using complete sentences, got the wrong answer, didn't respond, or if they did pretty well. Same with the dialectical journal entries. Okay, so that's the rubric for this assignment that's posted as well, just right here. Okay, now the audiobook. If you click here on the playlist, this is what it looks like. Over here are their reading options. If you click audio where it is linked here, it will take you to a YouTube channel that has all of the chapters for The Outsiders here in a playlist. So every week, like I said, they'll be reading 2 to 3 of these chapters. They'll be doing 2 journal entries and answering 4 questions. This is assigned on Monday and it goes through Friday. So if you guys have any questions for me, please let me know. I hope this video was helpful for you in understanding what your kids are doing in their ELA class. And if you ever need to help them at home, I hope this helps you figure out where you need to go. All right, thank you so much for watching. Never hesitate to reach out with questions and have a great day.